Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm thrilled to share with you the 5 best car accessories you must have in 2023. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, safety-conscious driver, or someone who simply wants to elevate your driving experience, these accessories are game changers. From cutting-edge tech to innovative safety features, we've got it all covered. So stick around as we explore these must-have additions that are revolutionizing the way we drive this year. But first, make sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. Let's get started. Number 5, TICARVE Cleaning Gel. Introducing a TICARVE Cleaning Gel for car detail tools, the ultimate solution for a spotless car interior. This high-tech cleaning gel is designed to effortlessly reach and remove dirt from those hard-to-reach spots like air vents, cup holders, and dashboards. It's incredibly easy to use and can be reused multiple times. Plus, it's made with a delightful lavender scent and won't leave any residue on your hands. And when you choose TICARVE, you're guaranteed a brand new package and excellent customer support. Keep your car looking fresh and clean with TICARVE. Number 4, AstroAI Foam Cannon. The AstroAI Foam Can is a game changer for car cleaning. Its big mouth design prevents soap wastage, and the adjustable nozzle delivers thick, high-quality foam. With a 360-degree rotating nozzle holder, it covers all angles efficiently. This versatile foam cannon is compatible with most pressure washers, making it ideal for various cleaning tasks, from cars and bikes to windows and driveways. Upgrade your cleaning game with this Father's Day gift-worthy tool. Number 3, Scosche MagicMount Charge 3. We're checking out the Scosche MagicMount Charge 3, a versatile vent-mounted smart foam holder. It's compatible with various vent types, boasts powerful magnets for a secure grip, and supports key wireless charging for your devices. The open design ensures unobstructed airflow, and it comes complete with all the essentials in the package, including a 3-year warranty. If you're seeking a reliable, easy-to-use car phone mount with wireless charging capabilities, this one's a strong contender. Number 2, 70mm new 4K dashcam. Introducing the 70mm new 4K dashcam at $810, a game changer in the world of dashcams. It boasts true 4K resolution with Sony IMX678 dual HDR front and rear cams, GPS night owl vision, and 24 hours AI parking surveillance. The night owl vision ensures superior nighttime performance, and the built-in GPS tracks your journeys accurately. With AI motion detection, it guards your vehicle 24/7. The 810 is your trusted eyewitness on the road, providing unmatched safety and security. If you're serious about road safety and crystal clear recording, this dashcam is a must-have. Number 1, TOPDON Peak Battery Jump Starter. Introducing the TOPDON Peak Battery Jump Starter, a game changer for any vehicle owner. With a massive 2,000 peak amps, it can jumpstart 12 volts batteries up to 8.0-liter gasoline and 6.0-liter diesel engines in just 3 seconds, making it a versatile solution for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. Safety is paramount, backed by 10 smart protections and a revolutionary stop spark sensor. The package includes heavy-duty clamps, a USB-C cable, a user manual, and a HAR-EVA carrying case for durability. The standout feature is the boost mode, capable of jump-starting a car with a dead battery. Plus, it doubles as a 300 lumens LED flashlight and a backup power bank with versatile outputs. It's a must-have for on-the-road emergencies and everyday convenience. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and hit the like button. You can find the product's link in the description below. Stay connected for more exciting content. See you in the next one.